What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today we just came out and had a day off, so I thought we'd go get some breakfast. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Rode VideoMic Go and the Rode VideoMicro. So luckily for me, on my Sony a6600 which I'm filming on, I have got a small rig mount attached to it. So I've currently actually got both microphones attached to the camera itself, and as both of them are wired, all I have to do is to change is literally just unplug one and plug the other one into the camera. So the first thing is I forgot my tripod at home so we came out to do this video and yeah, I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to be doing this completely handheld. So I'll do my best to make sure there's no shaky footage throughout this video.
I hear thunder, I hear lightning, I hear wonders, and everybody wanna go, but no one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase.
So what you're currently hearing is being recorded on the Rode VideoMic Go, and I think where I am right now is a pretty decent location. It's quiet, it's in a car park, there's cars around me, traffic in the distance, so you should really be able to hear me quite clearly. So let's move over to the Rode VideoMicro and see how that sounds. And also you get the benefit of me wearing a mask because I'm outside. But we'll do an indoor test at the end of this video. Okay guys, so I have swapped over to the Rode VideoMicro, and this is mounted to the side of my camera, so I don't know if that makes it different, but both microphones are pointed at me. Let's see if this one picks up any additional wind noise or anything. But yeah, I mean, looking at the recording levels on the screen as I'm speaking, they seem to be quite significantly the same as the Rode VideoMic Go. Okay, so I've moved over to a new area. There's cars moving, pedestrian traffic. I'm not sure how much wind noise this mic is picking up, so yeah, we're recording on the VideoMicro at the moment. I'm going to switch over to the Rode VideoMic Go. Okay, so we're back on the Rode VideoMic Go. Again, from what I can see on the audio levels is that it's not peaking as much. Now this may be due to wind noise, so what I'm going to try and do is, just by monitoring the audio levels, I'm going to switch over to the Rode VideoMicro again, and I'm going to add the wind muffler, or the dead cat, whatever you feel like calling it. A dead cat though, who came up with that? Let's see what the audio levels sound like with the wind muffler on. Okay, so we're back recording on the Rode VideoMicro, and I've got the wind muffler on, and first thing I notice is that the levels on the audio are no longer peaking. We're about midway right now. It's still picking up my voice. Pedestrian traffic behind me. Not many cars running past right now, but there is an airplane up ahead, so let's see how well that comes out in the video. Once again, we are back on the Rode VideoMic Go. The aim of this is that if the micro is better, then all around it will be better, because if the audio is great, then it's also low profile and much easier to carry because of the significant smaller size of it. There's a car coming up behind me, so let's see how it sounds while I'm talking with a car going right past me on the Rode VideoMic Go. Do you know, every time I come down to this place, there's like speed bumps and a zebra crossing. I always trip over the speed bump when I'm walking. I don't know why. basically the zebra crossing is on the speed bump, so even on foot I'm hitting the speed bumps. Okay, so this area is getting a little bit quieter now, so what I'm going to do is we're going to move on and we're going to go down to the main road where there's a lot more traffic, a lot more cars, buses, everything going to be going past, and let's test the audio and the microphones from there too. Okay guys, so this is now being filmed with the Rode VideoMic Go. As you can see, I'm on a busy main road, lots of traffic behind me, lots of cars. So let's see how well the microphone picks up my voice. Okay, so same location, I've switched over to the Rode VideoMicro and wind mufflers on. Again, I'm busy main road behind me. It's a funny story because when I was in the car park earlier on, just filming this, a postman came up to me and asked me if I was filming for anything specific and if I wanted to any social distancing areas, because he said, I know a place where there's no social distancing. So I was like, okay, you creepy postman, I'm gonna go now. So how many of you recognize this location? I used it in one of my previous vlogs. Might actually be one of my new favorites. It's a very quiet area, very quiet spot where I can set my camera down and just do some vlogs, you know, talk to you guys. So yeah, there's still traffic behind me. There's a car coming right now. This is on the Rode VideoMic Go. Okay, so back on the VideoMicro. Car's still going, but still in the quiet area. Wind mufflers on, so let's see how much of a difference this makes with and without a wind muffler. Let's see how well you can hear me with this fan going by behind me. At least there's no creepy postman around here. So let's just see how this sounds while I'm walking with the mic and the vlog camera. So yeah, this is with the VideoMicro. Audio levels are looking good, so it should be okay. Okay guys, so I just wanted to do one more test, and this is all indoors now. It's pretty much completely silent and it's nighttime. I just wanted to check to see the audio on these microphones. So right now I am filming this one on the Rode VideoMic Go. This will be the last test, so I've done everything outdoors and now I just wanted to test indoors, see how it is. And audio levels coming up pretty much okay. We'll test the footage and see how it is in post. Okay, and final test. This is on the Rode VideoMicro. Wind muffler still on even though we're inside, and the only reason I've got the wind muffler on is to just test how it's actually going to sound, because it's only fair that we did the majority of the other tests with it on, so now we're going to do it with it on inside too. So audio levels still looking good, look quite similar to the Rode Video Go, but again, we'll test it in post and see what it's like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helps you to make a decision as to which one you think is the better audio source, or if you find that they're the same, considering the price differences between the two, which one would you go for? Just, you know, I hope this helps you make an informed decision as to what you would like to buy. Me personally, I think my final thoughts are that I'm going to be sticking with the Rode VideoMicro. That's the one we're recording on now, and the only reason is because, one, it's so compact that it just really does make a very minimal vlog setup, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Maximum quality and in the most little size. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this was really interesting for me to do, and I really enjoyed making this one. I've got a lot more things coming, and I keep telling you guys there's a lot of things planned, and those plans are coming closer and closer and closer and closer now. So stay tuned, more vlogs are coming, more reviews are coming, more Tech Tuesdays, lots of good stuff. and who knows, maybe I might ramp up the vlogs. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. By the way, did anybody notice that it took so long to record this video that I've even had a haircut in the meantime?